judges, we're going to put you right to work with tonight's first finalist.
And as I said before, Jim, in no particular order, our first finalist from WNOW in York, Pennsylvania, the Susquehanna River Band.
Morning sun has broken through the darkness of the night, shined its light down on a lone highway. 18-wheelers rolling down Highway 95. Home is just 300 miles away, and I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. Don't you know I'm homeward bound? I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. No, I'm gonna make it home before the sun goes down. Well, I have been on every road from Maine to Tennessee. It's good to know there's a good woman waiting for me. Guess it's kinda hard on her whenever I'm away. She knows someday I'll be coming home to stay. I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. Don't you know I'm homeward bound? I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. No, I'm gonna make it home before the sun goes down. Two long weeks out on the road, traveled a lot of miles. I can't wait to get home and see my woman smile. Finally made my mind up. This time I'm gonna settle down. The day I was coming home to stay was the day that she left town. I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. Don't you know I'm homeward bound? I'm gonna keep this truck rolling. No, I'm gonna make it home before the sun goes down. Before the sun goes down.
The Susquehanna River Band. Yes, sir.